Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our video is about short column and long column. After watching this video, you will learn the difference between long and short column. The column is the most important component of RCC structure. Various types of columns are used in the structure. According to slenderness ratio, columns are divided into two types. Short column. A short column is the one whose ratio of effective length to its least lateral dimension is less than or equal to 12. Then it is termed as a short column, where left is effective length and B is least lateral dimension of column. Long or slender column. A long or slender column is the one whose ratio of effective length to its least lateral dimension is not less than 12. Then it is termed as a long column. Let's discuss the difference between short columns and long columns in details. If the ratio of effective length to its least lateral dimension is less than or equal to 12, then it is called short column, while if the ratio of the effective length of the column to its least lateral dimension is greater than 12, then it is called a long column. The effective length to least radius of gyration ratio is less than or equal to 40, while in long column, effective length to least radius of gyration ratio is greater than 40. Buckling tendency of the short column is very low. Long and cylinder columns buckle easily. The crushing tendency is very high, while in the long column it has a very low crushing tendency. The load carrying capacity of a short column is high as compared to long columns of the same cross-sectional area, while the load carrying capacity of a long column is less as compared to a short column of the same cross-sectional area. The failure of the short columns is due to their crushing, while all the long columns fail due to their buckling. It has more radius of gyration, while long column has less radius of gyration. The short column has a high load carrying capacity because of its low height, while long column has less. The short column slenderness ratio is less than 45, while in long column has its slenderness ratio is more than 45. Short columns have a large lateral dimension as compared to its height, while long columns have a small lateral dimension as compared to its height. The short column is stronger than a long column and it is highly preferable. Long column is weaker than a short column and generally it is not preferred. Short columns are subjected to compressive stresses while long column is subjected to buckling stresses. I hope you understood the difference between long column and short column. Thank you.